Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see couple of other functions like substring and position. So first of all, what is the position? It's used to return the position of the character or starting of the string you mentioned in the given string. So for example, you have a first name character, you want to find out what is the position of I, then we can use position function, so we can get number as 3, so we will get like that. So let's see the example. So for example, how what is the syntax? So select position, so open bracket, you need to specify what character you want to search in that specific given column. So I want to search I. So if you have a I in the first name column, so just find the position of that uh, in the first name. So just I will show you first name column as well for easy to understand. So if you see I, we have in the third. So Bob, we don't have I, so it's a 0. So like that we got the as per our result, right? Okay, so yeah, let's go to the another function, string, substring. So if you want to extract a portion of the string, so then we can use substring. So for example, you want to select first two character from the first name, so then we can use substring. So the syntax is substring, open bracket, what column you want to use. So I want to use first name column. Then what is the starting position? So from the starting position 1, then you need to specify how many character from the specified position. So from the 1 I want to get 2 characters, so just you specify that. So let's add first name as well, so just run the query. So from the first name character we need two, so from the first one we need two, so that's a requirement, we met that. So now you want to get from the second character, I want to two characters. So if you then you can use substring, open bracket, column name, so and starting character, and then how many characters you need after you specified from the character. So yeah, then I need from L, you need to get 2. So that's a we got. So now if you go to email, so let's use both of them to understand more. So substring and position. So if you run the query, we have the email ID. So I want to get the character before at. So at might be in the different position, but I need to get before at, you need to get the all the characters, right? So that's a requirement. So how do you achieve that? We can use substring. So yeah, then what column you want to use? We are going to use email. So from the email column, so what is the starting position? So always it's a first character, right? Because it's fixed. So and you need to find out the end character, right? So then you can use position, how many characters you need, because if you specify the that value we can able to get, right? If you get that position value, we can able to get that, right? So then at position at in, so in email, right? So if you run the query, we will get the result. Okay, let me run the query. We got the result, but we have a at end, so I don't want to see at end, so -1. So if you run the query, we got the result as per our requirement. Okay, let's go to the today challenge. So let's load the entire table. So we have a last name column, so just find the position of I. So yeah, just find the position of the I. So then second question is, you find the last two character so of the last name. So if you know the answer, please write in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.